Whoa, wait. Mr. Green's doing a video? He's doing a video over our bell ringers? Yep, sure am. Problem 1 says Nick buys 3.5 pounds of apples. Each pound costs $2.98. How much money does Nick spend on apples? This, my friends, is a multiplication problem. So we have to multiply. If you've forgotten, first step, how many digits are after my decimals? There are 3. So now I'm just going to multiply. 5 times 8 is 40, carry my 4. 5 times 9 is 45. 45 and 4 is 49, carry my 4. 5 times 2 is 10, plus 4 more is 14. Smiley face placeholder, and most of you are still forgetting that, and that's why you're missing them. Now we're going to multiply by the 3. 3 times 8 is 24, carry my 2. 3 times 9 is 27, plus 2 more is 29, carry a 2. 3 times 2 is 6, plus 2 more is 8. Add straight down. 8, 9, 10. And remember, you had 3 decimal places, so start over here. Just make sure that you have 3 digits after your decimal. Looks like Nick spends $10.43 on apples. Problem 2. Line up your decimals. Remember, on the 142, the decimal is after the 2. Fill in your empty places, then add. I will not be finishing that one off for you. Number 3. We're going to divide 5,200 by 5. Just begin. How many groups of 5 are there in 5? Well, there is 1. 1 times 5 is 5. Subtract. You got 0. Bring down your 2. At this point, you have to divide the 2 by 5. I cannot take a group of 5 out of the 2, so I put a 0 above. Bring down my next number. I have to divide 20 into 5 equal groups. There will be 4 in each group, and that is 20. So now, am I done? That's the question. Check your arrows. Have all my digits at the top got arrows below them? No. To bring down. One last time. Can I divide 0 into 5 groups? No, I cannot. Means I have to put a 0 above that last digit that I brought down, and now I'm done. 1,040 is your answer. Problem number 4. I recommend using factor trees for this. We're finding the greatest common factor of 45 and 65. We have to factor our numbers down to their prime factorizations, circling them all when we get their prime factorizations. Circle common pairs, and we find that the greatest common factor between 45 and 65 is 5. Problem number 5. We have to multiply. We're going to multiply 7/8 times 2 2/3. Before we can multiply, we're going to have to use the wheel method and change 2 2/3 into an improper fraction. So we're going to multiply and then add. We're going to multiply the denominator 3 times the whole number 2 and get 6, and then add the 2 at the top, the numerator, and get 8. So we're going to have 7/8 times 8/3. Now we can multiply. And yes, for those of you who immediately see this, we can cross out the 2 8s. They are both replaced with 1s. Multiply straight across, we have 7/3. Now, we cannot leave this problem improper. We have to change it to a mixed number, and we do that by dividing the 3 into the 7. It goes 2 times, that's 6, with 1 left over. So my answer is 2 1/3. I'm going to draw some arrows here to show you where everything comes from. The whole number 2 is the answer to the division problem. The remainder of 1 is the numerator, and the 3 we divided by is the denominator. And those, my folks, are your bell ringers for the day.